So when you come into your right, you've got your restroom, or your first bathroom, where you definitely have some shampoo and conditioner and stuff, body wash. You got shelving to put stuff. Your sink, obviously a toilet. You've got bunk beds here. And you've got a closet here for them to put their stuff. And you've got a shelf back here for them to put the stuff, and a light. It looks like there might be, I don't know if that's overhead light or a speaker. We've got a second bathroom here. And that's it right here. And so it's just the toilet in here, which is nice, so someone can be taking a shower while someone else is, you know, going to the bathroom. Plenty of space here to set up. And then you have your pull-out bed, you have your seating, and you have your other bed. Closet space is nice and plentiful, which I like. Not that I'm going to use that much of it, but you can see there's plenty here. There's laundry service information. There's a big, lots and lots of storage, which I like. Shoes. And then you have your view out here. I like that this can be rotated so we can watch TV in the other section if we want. Not that we're probably gonna watch much TV, but you know. But that's it. It's not crazy big, but it's much bigger than the other rooms, and it fits all 5 of us. So that's what we're going for. So, and there's plenty of curtain to pull if you don't want the light, but it's lovely. There's a safe here. Hair dryer. Kleenex and stuff. Mini fridge. Awesome sauce. As I try to. Yeah, this is fantastic. Fantastic. So yeah, I hope that was helpful.